Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about presentation templates business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now listen to the website. So as we know, Shopify is a website, is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, here enter your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want, so I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Now wait a few seconds to build in this store. So the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes here where you can change the themes if you want. Now here you can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna select this and wait a few seconds to install in the theme. So once the theme is installed, you can just publish it like this, and now you can customize it on your homepage store. Now go here and it will take you to your homepage store. So here you can change the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop like this, or like a mobile, or like a full screen. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop. This is the settings where you can design your home page. So here we have the header, the announcements bar. Here you can change the color scheme if you want. You can show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. Here you can turn this on, auto change announcements. Also you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. You can paste a link or search for something. I'm gonna select this, all collections. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the header. So here you can change desktop logo position. You can also change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can manage the desktop menu type. Here you can change the sticky header. You can show separator line. You can change the color scheme or the menu color scheme. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. You can manage the spacing and the section padding. Here you can edit the theme settings. So here you can put your social media links. You can put your Twitter link or your Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add here. So let's move on to the logo. Here you have to upload your logo from your library. So for example, let's search on some logos on the browser. Presentation templates, logo ideas, like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Just for example, you have to upload it from your library. This is just for example. So yeah, now this is your logo. You can change it. You can edit it at any time you want. Here this is the desktop logo width. You can edit it. You can edit the vertical offset. So let's get back. Let's move on to the next section, the slideshow. Here you can change the full width. You can also change the slide height. You can change the pagination style. You can turn this on, auto rotate slides. Here you can edit the animations, the image behavior. You can show content below image on mobile. You can manage the accessibility. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to some slide. For example, this you can select image from browser. So for example, you can choose whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Here you can generate the text on the heading. You can change the form of the text. For example, you can make it like this, bold or italic or whatever you want. So if you want to generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Presentation template. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Here you can change the heading size. You can also generate the subheading. Presentation template. Here you can change the button label. If you want, you can change the button link. Also, you can use outline button style. You can show container on desktop. You can change the image overlay opacity. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the next section, the featured collection. Here also you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Presentation templates. Here also the description, just like this, just describe what this text is about. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can also change this. You can make product full width. You can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. Also you can enable carousel on desktop. You can show second image on hover. You can show vendor. You can show product rating. So that's it. Now let's get back. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here and select what kind of home page what kind of section you wanna add on your home page store. For example, image with the text or image banner or another slideshow. So that's it. The last section here we have the footer section. You have here the email sign up. You can edit it. You can change the color scheme. You can make section full width. You can change the section padding. So that's it. If you're done from designing your website, now you can save this, and let's get back to the home page, to the dashboard. So here you can customize your online store. You can add your first product. You can add a custom domain, and you can add the sharing details. Next step is name your store. So now you can name it. Just type any name. Here you can add your store phone. You can also change your store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. After this, just the last step is launch your online store. Click here and pick a plane. You can remove your store password. Here you can choose a plane or the active trial. So that's it. Now all you have to do is launch your online store. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.